Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact head unit model and the OEM update file. This prevents mismatched firmware. Once identified, make a full backup of user data and Bluetooth pairings to a USB stick because restores avoid lost settings. Make sure the car battery is stable, charge above half, or use a 12V maintainer, and use a freshly formatted FAT32 USB. Now plug the USB into the correct front port and switch ignition to accessory so the unit remains powered while you proceed. You will now install the official firmware from the USB. Once the USB is inserted and the unit detects the file, accept the on-screen update prompt and follow each confirmation. This verifies signature and prevents bricking. During the flash, do not open doors that can cut power, do not remove the USB, and do not press random buttons because interruptions corrupt the image. The system may reboot several times. Be patient. If a progress bar appears, watch for completion. That confirms the bootloader and OS were written correctly. Once the update finishes, you complete setup by restoring the backup and repairing phones. Check navigation, audio, steering controls, and calibrations to ensure full function. If the unit fails to boot or is stuck in a loop, try the official image on a different FAT32 USB and use the unit's recovery sequence. This often repairs corrupted writes. If problems persist, gather error messages and contact OEM support, because using third-party images usually voids warranty and complicates recovery. That single troubleshooting step saves time and risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.